The rust penetration here goes deep into the frame. Confirmed. Marking that as severe structural damage on the tablet. Perfect landing on the passenger side, and let's check the door gaps next.
All right, bring it down 50 centimeters. Clear on the port side, looks good.
The data stream is showing extreme degradation on the lower chassis.
Yes, the marine growth really accelerated the corrosion right here. The marine corrosion is extensive on the lower panels.
Yes, we'll need to assess the structural integrity here.
Steady now, just a few more feet. Watch the dripping water.
All right, kill the hydraulics, we're home.
That bracket is completely fused. Did you get the back bolt?
Almost. Try wiggling it gently.
The saltwater damage here is extensive. We've got major structural weakness near the mounts.
Yeah, this confirms full extraction is the only option. It's completely seized.
Okay, pull slowly now. It's really caught on that side. I see it, just keep it steady.
The rust on the passenger rail is structurally critical.
Noted. We'll need full reconstruction here.
Careful with the large crate. Place it over there.
Okay, I'm opening this one now.
I found the chrome pieces.
Look at that finish. Absolutely perfect.
It's gorgeous. Ready for install.
Look at that finish. Absolutely perfect.
This chrome is incredible, not a single imperfection.
The grain on the grip feels just right. It's a masterpiece.
Careful now, lift straight up.
Look at the quality on those fins. It's perfect.
Let's inspect the core before we install it in the Gold Chevy.
Does the muffler bracket line up with the chassis mount?
Almost, just needs a slight rotation on the resonator side.
Look at that clarity, absolutely perfect. The curvature is spot on. This is ready for installation.
We've got the suspension laid out here and the engine components are ready.
Perfect. Let's start with the interior wiring tomorrow. Everything is staged perfectly.
Hold it there. Need to come slightly to the right.
Roger. Moving right now. How's that alignment look?
Perfect. Lower away. Okay, center of the coil spring now.
Got it. Hitting it with the torque wrench.
Check the alignment on the lower control arm.
Bushings are seated.
Got it. Hand me the torque wrench, please.
Does that line up with the seat base?
Almost. Push it slightly towards the left.
Lower it slowly. Watch the edge clearance.
Looks good. Let's start pressing the seal. Panel gaps look perfect on the passenger side.
Verified. Lights are fully operational.
Rear suspension checks out. We are ready for paint prep.